Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the system. Check Windows build and your Nvidia GPU model so you download the exact driver. Once done, disconnect from the internet to prevent automatic driver installs and create a system restore point in case rollback is needed. Make sure to close demanding apps and record current driver version. This prevents confusion during reinstallation. These steps protect your system state and give you a reliable fallback if the main repair step needs reversal. Now perform the crucial middle work. Reboot into safe mode and run display driver uninstaller. Choose Nvidia, select clean and restart, and let thee remove driver files, registry keys, and profiles. After restart, check program files and app data for leftover Nvidia folders and delete them if present. Once removed, reconnect to the internet but do not let Windows auto-update. Instead, download the exact WHQL driver from Nvidia for your GPU and operating system. This clean slate prevents conflicts during fresh install. Finally, run the Nvidia installer and choose Custom then Clean Install to ensure fresh components are applied. After installation, restart the PC and open Device Manager to confirm the Nvidia display adapter shows without warnings. Then launch Nvidia Control Panel and run a quick GPU stress or display test. If you still can't connect, check the Logs and Windows Event Viewer for driver errors, try a previous WHQL driver, and if necessary, reinstall chipset drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.